Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your device runs the latest iOS. This prevents unexpected errors during reset. Once done, make sure you have the Apple ID email and password and the device passcode available because you will need authentication immediately. Back up to iCloud or a computer. This preserves screen time settings and app data in case you undo changes. Now open Settings and tap Screen Time. You'll enter current passcode prompts next. If screen time is disabled, you can skip passcode entry and set a new one directly. If you forgot the screen time passcode, choose Use Apple ID to reset when prompted. This links the reset to your authenticated Apple ID and is fastest. If that option isn't available, you'll need to erase the device or use recovery mode to remove screen time restrictions. That process removes the passcode but also clears settings. Once the device is erased, restore your most recent backup to recover apps and settings. Doing so restores normal operation without the old passcode interfering. Make sure after restore, immediately set a new screen time passcode and optionally enable Face ID or Touch ID for quick access. This reduces the chance of forgetting a numeric code. If the Apple ID reset path fails because you can't sign in, contact Apple support and have proof of purchase ready so they can verify ownership and walk you through account recovery. As a final tip, save the new passcode in a password manager or secure note so you can retrieve it later. This avoids repeating the recovery process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.